niya.
So many
No ka?
things we can do. We're here in the pure gold. And we need snacks.
We need to buy what?
Let's cream.
Ano ulit? Buyoy. Nestle cream.
Nestle.
No, not that big one. The small one only. There. Okay, there you go. And let's go to Biscuit Station.
Yay!
Okay.
Let's go to the with the shopping cart.
No, we don't have shopping cart because konti lang bibili natin.
What?
Just a little ano lang. Kalahati ng pure gold bibili natin.
Do you want to get the shopping cart and basket?
No, I don't like the shopping cart.
I'm going to the grocery pure gold.
Where is the biscuit? No. Where? No, not here. Mali-mali naman tayo.
I see this.
Wait.
There,
Over there.
There is.
Oh, hey, mom. Say hi to your kids.
Hi.
Say hi, kids.
Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Hello.
Mhm.
Today we're gonna go
Say
to
mo,
the
good morning,
pure gold.
mother. Ganon. Good morning, everyone.
I'm going to
Where's the
pure
biscuit? I don't think it's here.
I
Oh,
haven't
there you go.
shopped Mentos.
Oh, no, it's not here. It's a candies over there. What?
It's my diamond.
Mhm.
I like it. It's here.
Oh, it's there? Are you
Is that
sure?
the
Okay.
ice cream?
Okay.
I want this.
Say good morning. Say good morning.
I
Ano?
like it.
You too? You want calchis?
Yes.
Oh, same with Kuya? No. You just share with Kuya na lang. The other one is ano.
I like it couchy.
No, don't the same. You just...
I like
No.
it couchy.
Oh, you change your ano na lang. This one. You change the to Wapelo. Oh, okay. Hey, Mom. Wait for us. There you go. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Tarot.
We're getting back on the car.
Let's go.
Wow.
No, it's my pamangkin and this is my
A
daughter.
sword.
From where?
From Canada. No.
China?
Hindi. Dito lang. Dito lang, father, sa San Mateo din. Then kami, Quezon City.
Creamo.
Aha.
Candy.
No, I don't like that. Because it's too sweet. No candies, okay?
No.
Just only the wafer. And then the wafer. Okay? Wave 4 and wave 3. Okay? O say bye na. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mhm.